great stretch of earth. Don't know if you can see that, but that's the spot that we're looking at. It looks really, really weedy all the way around. So we're going to run with plan B today, I reckon. That's just not going to stand up at all, is it? Here's another one. Still possible. Probably not keen. Off we go. Back to the original deal for another run. And we've got some change-ups to do there anyway. We've already dialed them in. A bit windy, but I reckon this is all going to die off. I'm going to head back to the Holy Grail again and see how we go. Cloud cover's sort of disappearing. Got some big sessions ahead. The eagle is back. Interesting. Scope and dinner. This must be a pathway. Sun's starting to go. Wind's still up. Might have to wait yet. Can we send one? Might be able to send one. Just waiting for the wind to die down. This might be a one and done for tonight. It's looking a bit too windy. We wanted to get one out before dark, so let's just try that. So far so good. It's a big belly in the line. That's okay, we've got no other lines out. It's not fussing at all. Oh, more chips, look at you. Isn't it? I think something's having a look there. Let's just it's roaring out here, mate. It's like 20 knots now. 18 to 20. We were so lucky we got that out then. We were thinking maybe. Could there be something on here? First drop. Very hard to tell. Oh!
It's on.
There you go.
It's on.
Alright, he's got something on here. Get him in, you got to try and keep him up. You might be able to tighten the drag a little bit. Something on here. It went a bit wobbish. Oh! 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 This is a bit bigger. This is a bit bigger. Oh, yes, please. He's friggin' massive, dude. That's what's out there. Massive Port Jacksons. You're a beauty, mate. You got those big spines. Looks like his spine got busted off. Maybe both of them. You're a big boy.
Huge.
That's a big porty. And normally they have their spines. See how where his tail is? A spine there, spine there. Look, they're all busted off. Oh, he's going. He's zinging. This might be a demersal. Wow. No battery. This feels like a proper fish, but straight away in that spot. Straight away in that spot again. This feels great. Oh! Oh, yes. This guy's angry. Come on, big fella. He's getting closer, he's protesting. This could be anything. She's just a straight overhead tonight, no battery. Left the cable at home. Serves me right, mate. My penance is fitness. Seems like he's been staying high in the water, eh? Totally different to a porty. There it is so far. I'm calling Pinky. Could it be a G? Oh, he's getting close now. I can feel him protesting. Come on. Tony's dancing. There he is. It's only small. Just a baby, eh? Oh, bloody hell. Woo! He's a fatty. He might even be pushing, I reckon he's 58.
Double hook up.
Oh, he got both of them. You ain't getting off, big fella. Good work. Right, so he's got to be
55?
You reckon 55? I reckon 58. Oh, he's a 56.
Yeah, something.
56. Woo!
Nice, brother.
Ha ha ha! Yopiotsky! Slightly bigger delivery would be nice. Alright. Time to drop again. Great night's sleep. Let's get rolling. First drop of the morning there, lad.
Top of the morning.
Top of the morning to you. Back to work.
It's been a trooper.
Oh, mate. So we have to switch back controllers just because the battery needed charging on the other controller. Probably should have had it on overnight. Didn't think it needed it. We've got a backup controller here anyway, so who cares? Look at those waves.
You've got to get behind the brake.
Oh. He's on straight away. Yeah, give it a reel, give it a reel. The line's loose. Try and get that bend in it still. Oh, that was right on drop.
Landing.
Wow, that was promising, wasn't it? Straight away. Great bite. Didn't get the hook up, got the rig back. Time to do it all again. This is the one.
The home point has been updated. Please be mindful of the new return to home point.
Oh, and we've got 100% battery just waiting to go. This is prime time, baby. Both getting little touches on ours. Nah, I don't reckon. Got to get off these snags anyway. Straight into one. This one's about to go. Come on, baby. Oh, that was close. That was so close. Oh, man. Ah, that was a good grab. Yeah, I know.
Gotta help.
We'll give some to the campsite. Come on, please. Ah, that was so close. Hope he just hasn't ripped it off. Oh, he's still there. Yeah, leave it. Go, go, go. Oh, come on. Oh, take it. The last possible bait for the weekend, and it's looking good. If only something can just run through there and hook up. Just not lucky enough. Is there something still? Oh yes, there is. There's something still having a little crack. I've just about got this one all in. Man, that was close to a last minute. Wow. Right at the end. Okay. Well, there's another species to add. Deep fried eel. We aren't keeping that. Hopefully he's going to be alright. Look at that sky. Oh, jeez. I wasn't paying attention there. Absolutely amazing. Can't wait to the next one, wherever it ends up.